Oh my God. Oh, your cupcake's out there, dude. At least you got Donnie. Okay. I'm gonna go grab cupcake. 3, 2, 1. Here's your dumb cupcake. You got my phone all wet and me all wet, bud. If Loha was out here, she'd be freaking out. Oh my God. We need to move all of this. Right, dude? Right? And there's bunnies right there. Oh, it's on the fire table. At least these are waterproof. They're speakers. What else do I see that we need to bring inside? Gosh. Oh, there's my sister's skateboard. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Oh, my phone's all wet. Oh. God. Isn't this so crazy, Lewis? It's raining. For the first time in days. You look extremely disturbed, dude. Does this still work? Hold on. I can't tell. Oh my God. Right after that, dude, the rain like went crazy right when I stopped the dang airsoft video. Like right when I ended it. Right, buddy? There's probably a lot more that we need to bring in.